Hikvision, a subsidiary of Hikvision, the world's leading video surveillance product supplier. With the advanced technology and creative power of image processing and pattern recognition, provides leading machine vision products and solutions to industry customers. Global top-notch R&D team makes development of products start from the forefront of the industry. Abundant experience in hardware designing, embedded system developing, and ISP technology ensures rapid iterative development of products. We strive to make every product designed and developed to reach a world-class level. We adopt world-class sensors, test and verify the quality in accordance with EMVA 1288 standard. Pursue the best image performance for customers. Application of high-quality core components effectively ensures stability and reliability of products. Optimized hardware design makes all the cameras pass strict EMC tests. It can protect against high-strength electromagnetic radiation. Good design of heat dissipation makes products adapt to diversified application environment. Mature DFMEA validation system is adopted. Various failure designs are controlled in early development phase. Quality guarantee starts from design. Our products have passed CE, FCC, RoHS certifications. Relying on complete supply chain system of Hikvision, we have leading product delivery capacity. A strict and complete quality control system was established. High-grade standard is employed in the whole product's quality check period. Our products have generic power supply design and installation design in the industry. They are compatible with Gig E Vision or USB 3 Vision, can be connected with third-party software. There are abundant SDKs and demo support. All are just for out-of-box. As a leader in machine vision, Hikvision always adheres to and transcends independent innovation. We help enterprises to step forward intelligent manufacturing. We created whole series of machine vision products. They are widely applied in 3C, metal processing, food and beverage, logistics. They can rapidly and accurately realize barcode recognition, dimension measurement, sorting and screening, robot positioning, and product defects detection, etc. Based on global service network and team of senior technical experts, we provide 24-hour service. No matter product technology support, consultation for a complete set of imaging solution, and even customization of OEM model, we are able to respond rapidly to all the needs and to ensure to create best value for customers. Hikvision shall innovate constantly and make more brilliant achievements in the era of Industry 4.0.